Hello magical friends, welcome to the channel Unbox with Magical Mel. My name is Melody and this is where I collect all magical things, especially Harry Potter items. And today we have another one of the Department 56 little light up buildings. I found this also in the same store that I found the Ollivander's One Shop building. You can watch the unboxing that I did over here or here. And that's from the same store, and as I mentioned in that video, I really did not expect to buy anything Harry Potter related during my trip with my friends. When I went to this store, I just thought it was just a small, simple collector store. I didn't expect Department 56 to be in where I was, where I am in Asia, because shipping is just really expensive. And when I calculated the cost of it compared to the website, it is so very affordable, and I am just amazed and I'm shocked to have found this treasure. I think the store owner was trying to maybe clear off his inventory. I don't know, because maybe there aren't many Harry Potter collectors in this part of the world, so he just wanted to let it go for lower, which is to my benefit. And so yes, I am so very excited. Without further ado, let's get the magic started. Here it is. Look at it in all its glory. It's the Weasleys Wheezes light up building from Department 56, and like the other one, it says at the back here, it coordinates with the Pondering a Love Potion. So that is bought separately. I don't think you can see it, but there you go. Yeah, I don't know where to find those. Maybe one day, hopefully I'll find it. Alright, so let's unsleeve this. Okay, and make it dry down a little bit here. Don't know where's the top. I always get really scared cutting into this because I don't want to damage the box as well. As mentioned in my previous video, I am not a collector that keeps it in the box. I like to open it and enjoy it for sure. But in doing that, I have to be very careful to make sure that I don't damage the packaging as well, in case if I do consider to sell it, which I don't think I'll sell it. But you know what's gonna happen. Anyways, oops. There we go. So scared. Oh, there we go. Alright. Okay. So it's a little bit like the one before. Oh, this is so cute. Quality, style, ease, value, variety. Look at this little tiny sign. It's so tiny. And of course, the very distinguishable or something. I don't know what's the word, like you would know this for sure. But this is their signature signage here. There's two of them. Tiny, tiny ones. So cute. Alright, and the star of the show. Oh my god, let me just look at it first. Oh my god. It is so nice. Petrifying products, shenanigans for all, Weasleys visiting Wheezes, always a wheeze guaranteed. Masterpieces of modern magical mayhem. Disastrous delights. Quality capers for the devious. And the best in jesting. So these are all the words that are in front of the store. It's very, very detailed. Let me just put these signs on it. Perfect. Alright, so here it is. That's the very familiar front of the store. And side. So earlier I was reading out the words that are above the window panes here. And then the back, there's a back door. Yeah, and it definitely lights up. Ta-da! Oh, nice. Look at that. You can't quite see it now because there's light, but I'll try to take a clearer picture of it later. So this is with the lights off. Whoops. And this is it with the lights. Yay. Alright, so I'm gonna take close-ups right now. So I do have this building over there. I'm gonna take some quick video of because I don't want to take it out of the shelf. But that one's the 3D puzzle that I did way back. I'll link it up here, somewhere here, where you can see my process of putting that Weasley's Wheezes shop together. That one's a 3D puzzle. It's like a spongy material. I really had fun putting that together, and it really does look really good. Of course, this one looks more realistic. That one looks, you can see like the puzzle outline, but it's equally beautiful. But yes, I hope you like it as much as I did. If you did, do click like and subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the little tiny bell so you'll not be notified when I next upload. Yeah, hope that you'll come back for more magical content, and I'll see you in the next magical video. Bye!